Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, I will guide you how you can turn on autofill password on your device. For that, you need to go to the settings on your device, and after that scroll down until and unless you don't find the Google option. Tap into it and then you can see the autofill option. Tap into it and tap into the autofill with Google option. After that, you'll need toggle the use autofill with Google option, and then your autofill with Google will turn on here. After that, you need to fill in your personal information and your password and passkeys on the second option. After you fill up this option, then your autofill passwords will be automatically turned on. So this was it guys. If you find this video useful, then don't forget to hit the like button, and if you are new to my channel, then subscribe it for more tutorial videos.